Welcome to our welding workshop that embark on an exciting journey into the reclaim of metal, fusion and creativity. Constructing a sleek, sturdy outdoor pit as we dive into the hand and over, we will explore the fundamental techniques of welding from the precise art of metal preparation to integrate process welding various components together between heat, metal and craftsmanship. Join us we infuse practically as we are artistically transforming raw material into functional and visually sticking masterpieces from outdoor. Throughout these tutorials, we will uncover tips, tricks, and safety measures essential for both beginners and seasoned welder. So grab your safety gear. Let's embark creativity as we bring the potential life toward the magic of the welding. Let's embark on journey through the fascinating world of welding project for beginners seeking the introduction of welding. A simple yet engaging project like creating welding garden trails service as excellent starting point. Utilizing basic welding techniques and readily available materials, project not only enhance your welding proficiency but also contribute to your outdoor space and aesthetic. Moving shade intermediate welder might find gratification fabrication derive metals coffee tables. This project delve deeper into the welding integrate demanding a precious and fusion of techniques while providing functional and visually appealing pieces of furniture. As we progress we explore advanced projects like constructing major cluster. The understanding challenge welding enthusiasts to ignite artistic vision of technical expertise, testing in the staining of emphasize art of pieces. Moreover, for passionate about automotive customized, we discuss project created around welding, custom enthusiast system, and over demand comprehensive understanding the welding alloy. Enthusiast dynamic fabrication allowing enthusiasts to enhance physical performance to showcase your craftsmanship, diving into the reclaim of home improvement as we explore welding project. Steroid elevate integrate design crafting of welding rack to habits welding finance but also contribute to polished decor elements. Additionally, consult welding metal work bookshelves parent opportunity blend functionality with artistic passion, leading to both practical and aesthetic aspect of interior space. Exploring further as we uncover the fascinating world of outdoor cooking to demonstrating the construction of welding pit for custom because grill the project appropriate welding techniques suited to outdoor environment, emphasizing durability and functionality while creating local fun, social gathering and relaxation. For those integrate sustainability and repurposing, we explore the welding project that involves upcycling materials such as discarded objects to saved materials, crafting weld art, installation as reclaimed metal, showcase the transformative power of welding while promoting environmental consciousness. As we consider exploration, crucial highlight safety measures and essential tools required to each project, emphasizing the significance of protective gear, proper ventilation, and enhanced safety protocols, ensuring to sure to enjoyable wedding experience for the enthusiast. Showcasing various welding techniques and tools, local highlighting welding process, joining metals, store the beat, evolve the art of form. Welding just about the joining metals elevate your experience. and dignity as we hope the guide of inspired you to embark on your own welding journey, pushing the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. The artisans admire to finish furniture pieces, showcasing the beauty of. Thanks for joining us as we on this adventure. Until next